Hi friends, welcome back to English Destination. There are many types of plants that we are going to learn today in this session with real objects in an interesting way. So don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started.
A tall plant that can live for a long time is called a tree. For example, mango tree. A woody plant which is smaller than a tree is called shrub. For example, ixora. You can see different types of ixora. Hibiscus is also an example of shrub. A plant whose leaves are used in medicine is called herb. For example, aloe vera. Cactus is also herb. A plant with weak stems that cannot stand upright without any support is called camber. These are weak stems. They are supported by the fence. Money plant is also an example of climber. A plant with weak stems that grows along the ground is called creeper. A plant like a small thick tree with many low branches is called bush.
Hope you enjoyed this session. See you soon in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, keep liking, keep sharing and keep subscribing. Stay tuned.